Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Today I want to show you some awesome finds that I was able to get on Run Deals. Make sure you're downloading their app and also following them on Facebook and Instagram. With that being said, let's take a look at the finds I was able to find this day. All right, you all. I'm definitely not a plant person. I usually kill them by accident. But I was browsing through Run Deals and I saw a special deal for my grandmother because she loves to be in her garden, planting her plants and all that good stuff. So with that being said, I ordered her this right here, this planter set. Let's go ahead, check it out, see what's in it. All right, so I wanted to show you the type of planter set that I was able to get my granny. So she likes to cut bushes and other types of plants. So right now, I was able to find this great thing right here. Hers is a little bit rusty and I wanted to make sure she didn't get cut. So I went online and I found this on Run Deals. This right here is going to help her cut those plants at ease. As you can see, it's together, but it has a safety grip to unlock. As you see, nice and sharp. When I say sharp, it is sharp. This right here is stainless steel, so it's not going to rust over like the one that she has. I also like it because it comes with an extra spring part, because this is what makes it open and close. When this one gets old, you just pop in the new one. I also love that it has these soft handles, so I just put it at the sides of it, and now my gripping is going to be much better with this, okay? When I'm done, all I have to do is take the handles off, bring it together, attach it back, and then it has this cool bag to place it in to keep it safe. Close it on up, store it where you have all your plant tools, and there you go. This is an awesome deal that I was able to find on Run Deals. Have you told your family and friends about Run Deals? Why wouldn't you do it?